In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the TikTok Pixel Helper Chrome extension to verify your Pixel installation and troubleshoot tracking issues. If you're running TikTok ads or tracking conversions on your website, it's important to make sure your Pixel is working properly. The TikTok Pixel Helper is a simple browser extension that helps you check whether your Pixel is firing correctly and whether events are being detected the way they should be. This can save you time and help prevent problems with campaign tracking later on. To get started, open Google Chrome and go to the Chrome Web Store. In the search bar, look for the TikTok Pixel Helper extension. Once you find it, install the extension in your browser. After the installation is complete, you should see the extension icon appear in your Chrome toolbar. If you don't see it right away, check the extensions menu and pin it so it's easier to access whenever you need it. Next, go to the website where your TikTok Pixel has already been installed. This is the page you want to test. Let the page load fully so the extension has a chance to detect any Pixel activity. If your Pixel is set up correctly, the helper tool should be able to identify it once the page finishes loading. Now click the TikTok Pixel Helper icon in your browser toolbar. This will open the extension and show you the Pixel activity detected on the page. Here, you can verify whether events are being triggered properly. For example, you may see a page view event or other actions depending on how your Pixel has been configured. This is the main area you'll use to confirm that tracking is active and sending data as expected. The extension can also help you troubleshoot errors. If something is wrong, it may display warnings, missing event details, or other issues related to the Pixel setup. Review the information carefully so you can identify what needs to be corrected. A good tip here is to test the exact page or action you want to track, since some events only trigger on specific pages or after certain user interactions. That's it. By installing the TikTok Pixel Helper, opening your website, and checking the extension results, you can quickly confirm whether your TikTok Pixel is working and spot potential issues before they affect your reporting or ad performance.